Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, we are going to learn to use the rhythm of sound to speak the sound of words. We're going to form words that rhyme with the blended letters O, D. So far, in earlier lessons, we have learned about one type of rhyming words where some words that rhyme have the same lettering at the end of the word. In today's lesson, we will see that words can also rhyme, though they don't have the same lettering at the end of the word. Some words rhyme merely because they have the same ending sound, though those words do not have the same lettering at the end of the word. The words that we form will rhyme because they either have the same lettering at the end of the word that creates the same sound, or the words will rhyme because the ending sounds of the words sound the same, though the ending lettering is not identical. In forming words today, we are going to put one vowel and one or more consonants together to form a blend which will allow us to form many words using that blend. What is a blend? A blend is two or more letters put together that when we sound out the letters together, they can either make two separate sounds or they can make a whole new sound. In this lesson, we are going to form three-letter words where the letters that are put together to form words will either make two separate sounds or they will make a whole new sound. If a blend that we form makes a whole new sound, I will let you know. Let us begin forming the first word. Today we will use the vowel O with the consonant D to form the blend that we will use to form words. As you can see, we use the vowel O and we put the consonant D at the end of the letter O to form the blend OD. In the blend OD, when the blend is read, each letter makes two separate sounds. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the O sound, ah. Say the D sound, t. Now say the O sound and the D sound together smoothly. Odd. Great job. Now, the blend odd is not a standalone word. What is a standalone word? A standalone word is a word that has its own meaning in and of itself. Therefore, since the blend odd in and of itself does not have a particular meaning, it is not a standalone word. The blend odd is merely used to help form words that are standalone words. In this lesson, we will form words using the blend odd at the end or at the beginning of the words. All the words that are formed that end or begin in the blend odd will have the same ending sound. When words have the same ending sound, they are called rhyming words. When we read rhyming words, reading words from memory becomes easier, making us a faster and more confident reader. Here on the board, we have the blend odd written many times. Here, the blend odd will be used to help us form words. We will put a consonant at the beginning or end of each blend to form words that have their own meanings. The letters that we put together at the beginning of the blend odd to form words will keep their own sounds when we sound out the letters together that form the words. And we will hear their separate sounds. However, within one of the words, the letter that we put at the end of the blend odd will cause there to be identical double consonants at the end of that word. When there are identical double consonants within a word, they make one sound. Now, let us make many words that rhyme with the blend odd. When we put the letter C at the beginning of the blend odd, we form the word cod. Let us sound out the word together. Say the C sound, k. Say the sound of the blend, odd. Now say the C sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, cod. When we put the letter G at the beginning of the blend odd, we form the word God. Let us sound out the word together. Say the G sound, g. Say the sound of the blend, odd. Now say the G sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, God. When we put the letter N at the beginning of the blend odd, we form the word nod. Let us sound out the word together. Say the N sound, n. Say the sound of the blend, odd. Now say the N sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, nod. When we put the letter R at the beginning of the blend odd, we form the word rod. Let us sound out the word together. Say the R sound, r. Say the sound of the blend, odd. Now say the R sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, rod. When we put the letter S at the beginning of the blend odd, we form the word sod. Let us sound out the word together. Say the S sound, s. Say the sound of the blend, odd. Now say the S sound and the sound of the blend together smoothly, sod. When we put the letter D at the end of the blend odd, we form the word odd. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the sound of the blend, odd. Say the D sound, d. Now say the sound of the blend and the D sound together smoothly, while remembering that when identical consonants are side by side, they make one sound. Say the sound of the blends, odd. Great job. Now, we will review the words that we have formed in this lesson. Remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the words. Repeat after me. Ready? Cod, God, nod, rod, sod, odd. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 2. Now, before I give you an assignment to do, I want to use this opportunity to give clarity to you as to why one of the words that we formed have a capital letter at the beginning of that word. Just in case some of you were wondering why one of the words have a capital letter at the beginning of it. The reason why I use a capital letter at the beginning of one of the words is because one of the rules for using a capital letter is that we are to use a capital letter at the beginning of a special name of a person, place, or thing. Within this lesson, we formed one special name that is used in Christianity and other monotheistic religions. That is the name of the creator and ruler of the universe. Therefore, we begin the special name with a capital letter. The special name that we formed is God. We will learn more about when to use capital letters in future lessons within Homeschool for American Adults Learn to Write section. Now, I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the words that we formed. And remember that we are to sound out the letters in each word with a smooth flow when we read the word. If you find it difficult to read the words, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read each word smoothly using the sounds of the letters together. When you can read each word with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.